Alright, today we're going to be doing a budget paint restoration on my 1995 MX-5 Miata using only supplies from Harbor Freight. Starting with a DA polisher. This is one of the Bauer branded 6-inch DA polishers with their backing pad, as well as their medium cutting foam pad. I'm using Meguiar's 105 cutting compound here with it, which I also purchased from Harbor Freight. Between steps, use a microfiber towel to wipe off any residue left on the surface, and between panels, clean out your foam pads with an air compressor. We're going to use one of the Harbor Freight Bauer fine foam pads here with some Meguiar's 205 polishing solution, which was also purchased from Harbor Freight. This seemed to do pretty well. It took out any of the marks left from the 105 cutting compound. Did a really great job, and once we wiped that down, left a very nice shine. Very happy with how this turned out, especially on this 26-year-old 131 or 132,000 mile paint. And after removing the film left behind by this, we're going to move on to wax. We're going to use the ultra fine foam pad from Harbor Freight with Meguiar's number 26 high-tech yellow wax. And two quick things to note. Notice the lighting around me. Good lighting is very important, so you can see exactly what you're doing here. And so is prep. Prior to this, I did a full wash and a clay bar on the entire vehicle to make sure we had no contaminants left in our paint before doing this. This was also all done inside at the makerspace I work at, Narwhal Labs, in Bristol, Rhode Island. And just a final rub down here to get the wax residue off and any remaining stuff off the other side that I did not polish. Peel our dividing line off, and there we go. Hopefully you can see the difference there. And while the paint on the front end was the worst this car has, the results here were very encouraging to continue this process.
5 hours later.
Time to pull it out of the bay, give it a good look, and wipe off any remaining wax residue that we can see out in the sunlight. And there we go, just a couple final shots. Very happy with these results. And I can definitely recommend that you give this a try on your own. Just be sure to check any product instructions and make sure you follow them, and test this on a small section of your vehicle to make sure you don't damage your painting. And if you're watching this on YouTube, links to the products I use will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.